Today, we're diving into the world of OSINT and revealing 10 free image tracking tools hackers use to track anyone online. With just a single photo, you can uncover a surprising amount of information. This video is for education and awareness. Always use these tools ethically and legally. The tools I'm about to show you are powerful, so use them to protect yourself and your loved ones. Respect privacy, follow the law, and remember, ethical use is key. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic, Google Reverse Image Search. If you've ever wondered where a photo really came from, or if you suspect an image might be fake, this is your go-to starting point. It's one of the most accessible and powerful tools for digital detectives, whether you're a journalist, a researcher, or just curious about what you see online. To get started, simply head over to images.google.com. Once you're there, click the little camera icon in the search bar. You can either upload a photo directly from your device or paste the URL of an image you found online. It's quick, intuitive, and doesn't require any special software. Instantly, Google scours billions of web pages to find matches, showing you exactly where that image or visually similar ones appear across the internet. You'll see links to websites, news articles, and even social media profiles that have used the same or related images. This makes it perfect for tracing the origins of a photo, verifying if someone's profile picture is authentic, or uncovering whether an image has been used in misleading ways. It's a crucial step in verifying digital content and spotting potential fakes. Here's a pro tip. Don't just search the whole image. Try cropping out different sections like the background, faces, or unique objects, and search each part separately. Sometimes, hidden details in the background can lead you to surprising new results or reveal the true context of a photo. Of course, Google's image index is massive, but it's not all-seeing. Some results might be hidden behind privacy settings, paywalls, or simply not indexed yet. So, don't be discouraged if you don't find what you're looking for right away. That's exactly why we're exploring 9 more powerful tools in this series to help you dig even deeper and uncover information that Google might miss. Ready to level up your OSINT game and become a true digital detective? Let's dive in and see what else is out there. Next up is TinEye, a pioneering tool in the world of reverse image search that's been trusted by millions for years. Often called a legend in reverse image search, TinEye is like having a digital detective at your fingertips, ready to uncover the hidden journey of any photo you upload. What sets TinEye apart is its ability to find not just exact matches, but also altered, cropped, or heavily edited versions of your image, even if the changes are subtle or creative. Simply upload your image at TinEye.com, and TinEye will instantly scan billions of images across the web, showing you every place your image has appeared, along with a timeline of how it's changed or been reused over the years. The Compare tool is especially useful. It lets you view side-by-side comparisons of the original and any discovered versions, making it easy to spot edits, fakes, or unauthorized modifications with just a glance. Journalists, copyright holders, and investigators rely on TinEye to track down stolen images, verify sources, and uncover the origins of viral photos. If you're a creator, like a photographer, designer, or artist, TinEye is invaluable for monitoring where your work appears online and seeing if your photos are being used without your permission. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and search settings. Tweaking your approach can help you uncover even more results and track down elusive copies. While TinEye's free version is impressively powerful for most users, advanced features like automated monitoring and high-volume searches are available if you decide to upgrade to a pro account, making it a flexible tool for both casual users and professionals. Yandex Images is the Russian search giant with advanced image search magic. Yandex often outperforms Google at recognizing faces and finding social media profiles, especially from Eastern Europe and Asia. Upload your photo at images.yandex.com and it'll show you visually similar images and sometimes even link to social media profiles. Yandex is great at finding different expressions, angles, or low-res versions of the same face. Try running the same photo through Google, TinEye, and Yandex for different results. Sometimes Yandex picks up what others miss, especially for people or personal photos. If you're serious about tracking down faces or hidden social accounts, don't skip Yandex. The results might surprise you. Social Catfish is a user-friendly and powerful tool designed for tracking images back to social media accounts and uncovering the real people behind online profiles. Whether you're concerned about a suspicious message or just want to verify someone's identity, Social Catfish makes the process simple and accessible for everyone. You can easily upload a suspicious photo, whether it's from a dating app, social network, or even an email attachment, and Social Catfish will search across a wide range of social networks and online platforms to see if the person is really who they claim to be. It's specifically designed to sniff out fake profiles, online scammers, and catfishers who use stolen photos or false information. The tool checks for associated emails, phone numbers, usernames, and even linked social media accounts, giving you a much broader and clearer picture of someone's online presence. Social Catfish focuses on social verification, connecting images to real online identities. It's perfect for online dating, business deals, or anytime you need to be sure about who you're talking to online. The free image search is especially useful for quick checks, helping you spot red flags before you get too involved. It offers peace of mind and helps protect not just yourself, but also your friends and family from online deception. Use Social Catfish as a shield for your digital life. But always remember, it's a tool for safety and awareness, never for harassment or stalking. Stay smart, stay safe online. PimEyes is a facial recognition search engine that scans the internet for faces matching your upload. With just a selfie, you might uncover dozens of websites or social media accounts where that face appears. Upload your image at PimEyes.com and let its AI do the work. PimEyes is great for finding impersonators or protecting your privacy. Journalists and investigators use it, but always use it ethically. One cool feature: set up alerts to get notified if your face appears somewhere new. This is especially helpful for public figures or anyone worried about identity theft. Used responsibly, PimEyes can help keep you safe online. Lines 8. ExifTool is a must-have for anyone serious about image tracking. It digs into the metadata hidden inside photos: location, date, device type, and more. Download ExifTool, drag and drop an image, and see all the hidden info. If GPS data is present, ExifTool can show you the exact location a photo was taken. It's useful for verifying news photos, investigating suspicious images, or recovering lost memories. ExifTool is free, open source, and works on most operating systems. Journalists, law enforcement, and OSINT experts use it worldwide. Always respect privacy. Never use metadata to invade someone's life. FotoForensics uncovers image manipulation and spots whether a photo has been altered or tampered with. Upload any image to PhotoForensics.com for a detailed breakdown of its digital fingerprints. It uses error level analysis, ELA, to highlight parts of an image that might have been edited. FotoForensics checks for hidden data and clues about how the image was created or modified. It's great for debunking fake news, exposing hoaxes, or confirming viral photo authenticity. The interface can be technical, but guides help you interpret results. Popular with journalists and fact-checkers, it's also useful for creators protecting their work. Use FotoForensics responsibly. Don't violate privacy or spread info out of context. ImageRaider is a fantastic tool for tracking where an image appears across the web. It's popular with photographers, artists, and anyone worried about stolen content. Upload your image or enter its URL, and ImageRaider searches indexed sites for matches. It can monitor images over time and send alerts when it finds new uses. Great for long-term tracking and copyright enforcement. It can search across multiple search engines at once for obscure matches. Use ImageRaider ethically. Track your own images or expose scammers, but respect privacy. The more you search, the more you'll uncover. Berify is all about reverse image search and tracking image use over time. Upload an image, and Berify scans the web for matches, including social media, blogs, and video thumbnails. Its alert system notifies you when your image shows up somewhere new. Berify is a favorite for photographers, models, and influencers protecting their brand. It's also great for mapping out someone's digital footprint or tracking viral images. If you're worried about stolen content or impersonation, Berify is a lifesaver. Always get permission if you're tracking someone else's images. Ethics first. Don't sleep on Bing Visual Search. It's free and getting better all the time. Go to bing.com/images, click the camera icon, and upload your photo. Bing shows you similar images, related content, and even objects found within the image. It's especially good at finding lookalike images and identifying products, places, or art. Unique feature: Bing can isolate and search for just one person or item in a group shot. Results often include links to shopping sites, news, and social media. Combine Bing with other tools for a complete OSINT toolkit. Don't underestimate this Underdog. Lines 8. We just explored 10 of the most powerful free image tracking OSINT tools used by hackers and investigators. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools to protect, not to invade privacy. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which tool surprised you most. Want a deep dive on any tool? Drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the digital world with respect.